Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create user input using Python GUI programming. Let's start the video. First we have to import tk interface tk. Import from tk inter import simple dialog. Root is equal to tk dot root dot withdraw user input is equal to root is used to create a blank window. In user input we have to write simple dialog dot ask string in the bracket title is equal to name. Prompt means the question is equal to what's your name. Next we have to print the name using print hello comma user input. Now we will save the file and go to terminal and write Python file name, enter. T should be capital in t.k. Now we will run the command again. Save the file and go to your terminal. Write the command again. Press enter. Here is the prompt. Let's write our name. Hello Gajesh. Thanks guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.